Hi, we're going to work on this distributive property puzzle, and the idea is to use the distributive property and combine like terms. This is one of those puzzles where you are finding your answer in the columns, and then you're going to, when you find your answer, you write the word next to it in the appropriate box. So I'll show you how that works. So let's start with letter A. I don't have enough room here to show my work, so I'm using this post-it note, and I'm going to rewrite the expression first. So when I rewrote the expression, I changed my subtract to add and the second number to its opposite, and I did that over here so that I wouldn't mess up my integers. So the first thing I'm going to do in these problems is first I'm going to use the distributive property, because the parentheses say do me first, so I need to kind of deal with what's going on there first. So I'm going to distribute the -7. So I've multiplied each of these terms by -7. And that's how I got these numbers. Next, I'm going to then look for like terms. So I see I have 5x and 28x. So I can add those together and get 33x. This is my only constant, so it's plus -14. And then I'm going to simplify that to 33x minus 14. So I'm looking for 33x minus 14 over here. And I see it right here, So I'm going to put in box A, I'm going to write the word, the. So that's how this works. So I'll do one more with you. So here's B, and again it says 8 minus 3. Well, I have to change subtract to add and the second number to its opposite, subtract to add and the second number to its opposite, so that I don't mess up my integers. I don't have to do that, but if I don't, I'm going to make a mistake. So I'm going to distribute the -3 first. So I'm going to get 8 plus -18 plus 18x. And then I look for my like terms. My only variable term is 18x. And then 8 add -18 is -10, because different signs subtract this time and keep the larger sign. And then I'm just going to fix this 18x minus 10. So I'm looking for that answer somewhere on my paper. And I know it's not in this column, so let me look over in this column, and I see it right here, rookie. So in the B box, I'm going to write rookie. And if I keep going, I should be able to fill in all of the questions. I like this puzzle because you have a chance to see if you're doing it right, because you see if your answer appears. And there's lots of places to practice your negative rules. So hopefully you're up for the challenge and you gave it a try. Thanks.